Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel. Today we are dealing with a important concept under polynomial chapter, that is remainder theorem, and the importance of this theorem is to find the remainder and to find the factors of a given polynomial or a given number. And I have noted the important formula here. Now let's start with our explanation. Yeah. Now the concept is remainder theorem, as I told. Here the formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. See, please make a note here. There is a bracket and only this is one term, this is one term, and this is one term. Number of terms are 3. This term consists of two components, that is a divisor and a quotient. You need to multiply divisor with a quotient and you need to add remainder, so that this will be equal to dividend. And to make you understand that what is dividend, what is divisor, what is a quotient and a remainder, I have written this block diagram where you can compare. See, you can see the divisor is written in this position of on the process of dividing. We will write the divisor in this position. You can compare it here. The 6 is the divisor. Quotient is the 2, which will be written on the top of a division, a top on dividing. Dividend is the one which we are dividing, that will be written inside while dividing the number, and the remainder is the left out part, which will be at the end. And with this, on comparing, you can clearly make out that quotient, divisor, dividend and remainder, and how to substitute these values in this given equation and solve the problems. Here I have taken divisor as 6 and quotient as 2, remainder is available as 3 for us from this problem, and dividend is 15. We can also check this using the given remainder theorem. I have written down that 15 is the dividend 15 is equal to, see, divisor into quotient, 6 into 2 plus remainder. You can take down that 15 is equal to 6 2s are 12 plus 3. Now 15 is equal to 15. So we came to know that LHS equal to RHS. Right hand side is equal to left hand side. So this is valid. You can check for any other number. You can just compare the dividing process with these terms. You should know what is divisor, you should know what is quotient, dividend, remainder, and you should be firm. You should not confuse with dividend as a divisor and vice versa. So on completing this, let's move on to the example given in your textbook. Taking down that the given example is 2x cube plus x square plus x. See, we need to divide this with x. Let me just, we need to divide this term with x. You can divide by x is the question. You can divide each term by x. See, 2x cube by x plus x square by x plus x by x. Now what is this going to be? 2x cube by x is going to be 2x square. Why? 1x and x cube. One term in x cube gets cancelled. Here x with one term in x square gets cancelled and we are left with x. This and this cancel. We are left with 1. You can see this 2x square plus x plus 1, and this is a factor of this term y. Let me write that. See, we divided this term with x. From the above given equation, we can write this as, see, given question is, this is the dividend, that's the given question is dividend, the one which we are supposed to divide is dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor is x multiplied by quotient. This is the quotient part. I will multiply quotient with divisor, and the remainder is 0 here. Why? Because we can multiply all the terms, we can multiply all the terms here to get this, or we can divide all the terms with x, we will get this. So the remainder is 0. This is based on this equation, the remainder is 0, and the important thing here is, if the remainder is 0, let me write here. Yeah, let me write here itself. Cool. Please take this is an important note. If remainder is 0, then the given divisor and quotient are factors of dividend. See, yeah, here what the meaning is, you can notice that these and these are factors of this term. Why? Because if we multiply that, we will get this. We can also take that 6 and 2 as a factor of a 12. Why? Because 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. Now, this is the one important note here. Now, moving on, there is a process of division given to you to find a remainder. Let's take one problem. There are 6 steps given in your textbook. Let me simplify that with a good understanding for you. The given question is, I will directly write in the format of division process. 3x square plus x minus 1 is the given question, and the divisor is x plus 1. See, the given question is this one, this is the dividend, we should divide this by x plus 1, and what we are going to do is, we are dividing this by this with a long division process. Please keep your concentration and attention towards this, and in the conclusion we can also make that the 0 of a polynomial of this term on substituting to this question will give you the remainder. I will make you understand in the end. Let us now do this via long division process. See, the first step what they have given is, you take the first term of a quotient such that this term on multiplying with that will give this term, exactly the first term of a dividend. See, let me take in a sheet. Yeah, x plus 1 on multiplying the first term of quotient should give you the first term of dividend. Okay, this is what we need to here. What we need to do is, x plus 1 should be multiplied by some term. We need to find this term. What should be the term such that it will give you the first term of dividend? First term of dividend is 3x square. The second term may be anything. That is not our fact. The fact is, we need to find a number such that it will give this one. See, x here 1x is present, and you need to find a term here, a constant with another x, so that on multiplying all that both will give you the 3x square. Let me take 3x here. Why? Because 3x on multiplying with x gives you 3x square. Now 3x on multiplying with 1 gives you plus 3x. You should not care about this 3x term, you should care about this 3x square term. Why? Because we need this term here. Okay, you should not bother about the second term. This is I gave this only for your reference. This is not an equation, but I gave this is only for the understanding purpose. This you need to find. If you find this one, you will clear the given long division process. So from this we can tell that the required first term of the question is 3x. X into 3x gives you 3x square plus 3x. Now please take a note here. If both the terms are of same sign, here the first term has positive sign, here also the first term has positive sign. If there is nothing, it is a positive sign. So you need to subtract this from this. So what happens is, on subtracting, what, let me show here. See, if 3x is subtracted with 3x plus 2, something like this, what happens to this? This is like 3x minus 2. Why? This subtraction sign is multiplied with this plus and it will give you minus 2 because there is a bracket. Here we can't write in this form, so this should be subtracted, right? This something like 3x square, the whole term, plus x minus 1 is subtracted with the whole term, 3x square plus 3x. This term is subtracted by this term. So we need to multiply this negative sign with everything. What happens is 3x square plus x minus 1 minus 3x square minus 3x. If you didn't get this, please don't bother. What I telling is that, in short, if this sign is same, if this is also plus, this is also plus, then take the negative sign for bottom term. If this is same, if it is plus here, you should assume that as a minus. If this is, sorry, if this is same, you should take subtraction to hold the term, hold this equation, you should take the negative sign. Now subtract 3x square, you should forget about plus. Why? Because we took negative. 3x square minus 3x square, that's going to be 0. X minus 3x, x minus 3x, x minus 3x is minus 2x. You know how? Why? Because this term is greater 1, it has negative sign here. You know these concepts, I guess. Minus 2x and minus 1 is straightly taken down because it is 0. If there is nothing, that means it is 0. You should take that down. Now again you should find a second term from this. Now again to this, you should find a second term here such that this multiplying with this gives you second term of dividend. For first term we need first term, for second term we need second term. Okay, cool. For second term, select. Here the required first term of a dividend is minus 2x. This is minus 2x and this remains same, x plus 1, and we need to find this here, second term of a quotient. So we can take minus 2 here. Why? Because x is present here, x is present here. On multiplying with the minus 2, you will get, on doing this, what you will get? X plus 1 into minus 2, what you will get? Minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 2. I hope you are getting a good understand. I am doing this rough because you should not get confusion. You need to be thorough with all the steps. There might be a confusion. At the end you will be clear, so that I am doing a rough one. Okay, minus 2x. I told you need to take the second term of the quotient as minus 2, such that x into minus 2, minus 2x, plus 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Now signs are same, you should assume the bottom as different sign, opposite sign. Why? Because the signs are same, you should assume this as positive 1. so that you will make a subtraction here. Minus 2x plus 2x 0, minus 1 plus 2, 1 is the remainder you got here. This process is given in 6 steps in your textbook, and I hope this helps you a lot. I told all that 6 steps in this rough part. I did the work here. You can assume I can assume that you are getting the better understanding with what I am saying. Now the second part, what I need to tell is this the first thing. It's clear. Please take a note, take down this formula. The second part, what I need to tell is this is the remainder theorem. Actually, zero polynomial of divisor on substituting to dividend gives you remainder. Okay, see another thing. I told you that if remainder is 0, then the given divisor and quotient are factors of dividend. Here the remainder is not a 0, it's 1. So what we got, the quotient, and the given divisor is not a factor of the given dividend. I hope it's clear. I have taken all the note in the same sheet so that you should not get confused. What is this? Zero polynomial of a divisor. You know the zero polynomial of a divisor. What the zero polynomial is? You need to equate the divisor with 0. X plus 1 is our divisor in the above question. Equate it to 0. What this gives is x is equal to minus 1. X is minus 1. Now substitute this x in a given divisor. Sorry, given dividend. This is also a note. Please take this. This is not a note. This is a remainder theorem itself. I am telling in a short. That's it. I am covering everything in a single sheet. X is equal to minus 1. What's that? Now substitute this in a given dividend. Given dividend is 3x square plus x minus 1. Now in the place of x, substitute minus 1. 3 into minus 1 square plus of minus 1 minus 1. While taking bracket, be careful, you lose marks there. Even I got some less marks because of the carelessness in taking the brackets. Squaring term of a square of a negative term will be a positive. Minus 1 into minus 1 gives you plus 1. 3 into 1 gives you 3 plus. This is minus 1. This is minus 1. 3 minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to 3 minus 2 and 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1. This is our remainder. You got, I thought. This is our remainder, and this is our remainder theorem. What it says is the zero polynomial of a given divisor is, on substituting with the given dividend, gives us the remainder of that division process. This, how cool is that? Now if you let me take the statement, let me turn the page first. Yeah, this is the remainder theorem given in your textbook. For statement, you can refer your textbook. I will explain what the concept is. See, the remainder theorem says that P of x is equal to x minus a into q of x plus r of x. This is according to the formula which we referred in the initial stage of this video. P of x is any polynomial with a degree greater than or equal to 1. In the sense, it should have at least one variable part. That's with only x is the least polynomial with degree 1. At least it should have x. x minus 1 is your divisor and a be any real number. That's a constant. A be any real number. Q of x is your quotient term and R of x is your remainder term. Now the part is, we know that we learned just now that if x minus a is your divisor, then x will be equal to a, and this is your 0 of a polynomial. A is your 0 of a polynomial. Why? Because I equated this equation to 0 and x is your a polynomial. Now what I told is you should substitute a in the given p of x, that's a dividend. You will get this term will be this RHS will be equal to your remainder, that is nothing, we will prove here itself. Now substitute the 0 of a polynomial of a given divisor in the dividend p of a. We substituting a here. Now what happens? X, in the place of x we will substitute a, minus a into q of x, that's your quotient, plus remainder. Now p of a minus a, 0 into quotient plus r of x. You know 0 into anything is 0, and r of x is your RHS and p of a is your LHS. That is nothing but, I am telling you again and again, if you are substituting the 0 of a polynomial of a divisor in the given equation in the place of x in the given dividend, the given equation in the sense given dividend, you will get the RHS as the remainder. Now we came to the exercise part. Let's solve this. The given question is the divide the given polynomial by x minus 1. Now we can notice that this is our dividend, this is our divisor. Let us take down in the format. Divisor is x minus 1. This is our dividend. Sorry, x cube minus 3x minus 1. Yeah. Now, as I told, select the first term of a quotient such that on multiplying with the x should give the first term of a dividend. Here x has the power of 4, here the x has the power of 1. We should select the x as the power with power 3, so that on multiplying they will give the x power 4, and the term is 3 here, so select 3. What you will get? X into this term will give you 3x power 4. Minus 1 into plus 3x cube gives you minus 3x cube. Here it has plus, same sign, change the sign of a bottom part as I told you. Minus minus, change, plus. 3x power 4, 3x power 4, they cancels. This minus this cancels. Minus 4x cube plus 3x cube gives you minus x cube. Now here you should notice one thing. We have x power 4, we have x power x cube, and there is no x square. We directly jumped to x power 1 and x power 0. That's only one, only constant, and here the constant is 1. What the thing here we need to focus is, since the x power term is empty here, we should take that empty term only. Should take that empty term only, x square, 0x square. Take down the remaining term here, 3x power 1 minus 1. Now select the second term such that it will give you the second term, the first term of the dividend has given here. You need to select what you need to select. Yeah, negative sign, here negative sign, here x power 1, here we need x power cube, so x square, and there is no constant term here. Multiply x cube, minus into minus will give you plus 1x square. Now same change to positive, same change to negative. Here we should take this down. Now this is going to cancel. 0x square minus x square is x square. See, if you miss this 0x square, you will not get this minus x square, and your answer is going to be totally different. That's the thing you should focus on. You should focus on the symbols, positive, negative, and you should focus on the bracket, taking bracket. I am telling not only with respect to this concept, overall mathematics, while doing your board exams and tests, you should keep your focus on the brackets and the signs. Now taking down this minus 3x power 1 minus 1. Take another term, so that you need to get minus x square. Minus is there, so minus x into x gives you x square. X into x gives you minus x square. X into minus x gives you minus x square. Minus into minus is plus. 1 into x is x. This term will be taken directly. Now same sign, change the sign. Since we are changing the signs of a bottom part, you need to change all the signs. Here there is a negative. Since we are multiplying it, multiply with the opposite sign, that's negative for this. This is nothing. You should change all the signs, whether they are same or they are different. You should change the signs of the bottom part. You should replace it by the opposite signs. 1 minus 1 plus will give result in 0. Minus 3x minus x minus 4x. This minus part taking down. Now again we need to get minus 4x. We have x here, we need to add minus 4. We will get, on multiplying, x into minus 4 will give you minus 4x. Minus into minus will give you plus. 1 into 4 will give you 4. Change signs. Minus plus is minus. Change sign as they are different. Change sign. This is different, going to 0, going to be 0. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. Minus 5 is your remainder. As I told in the other method, from the remainder theorem, we can check, find the 0 of a divisor. X minus 1 is your divisor. Equating it to 0, you can find the 0 of a divisor as the 0 of a divisor is 1. Now substitute this one in a given equation. Given equation is this one. Yeah, substitute x here the given equation. 3 into x power 4. Let me write the question first. X cube minus 3 into x minus 1. Now 3 into, substitute x in the place of x as 1 minus 4 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 minus 1. 4 power 1 power 4 is 1 only. 3 ones are 3 minus 4 into 1 cube is 1 only. So 4 ones are 4 minus 3 ones are 3 minus 1. You can see plus 3 minus 3 cancels. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. This is same as this. You can find the remainder with the help of a remainder theorem or with the help of a long division. This is going to be easy. If you are suppose if you are asked to go with the long division process, you should go with this method. And let me take only one simple problem, that is not a long division problem. Find the remainder. This is the example 9 in your textbook. Find the remainder when x power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. See, in this question we are not going with a long division process. We will directly jump into the remainder theorem. find the 0 of a polynomial of a divisor. X minus 1 is equal to 0. This answer minus 1 is equal to 0. S is going to be 1. We found out that the 0 of a polynomial of a divisor is 1. Substitute this in this, you will get a remainder. That's it. In the given question is x power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus 1 plus x plus 1. Substitute 1 here. 1 plus 1 power 4 is 1 only. 1 power cube is also 1 only. 1 square into 2 will give you 2 plus 1 is 1. 1 is 1. Now what you will get? 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. And 1 plus 1 is 2. Or let me write 1 plus 1 is 2. Here minus 2 plus 2. 1 things cancel. The answer is 2. And the 2 is your remainder. You can check this with the long division process. Please check it out. You will find the same answer. This proves that remainder theorem is true. And with these two concepts, you can complete all the given exercises in your exercise problems. Given the exercise 2.3, you can complete all the problems, all 3 questions. Now with this we will end our session. I thought this helps you a lot. If you want to appreciate our work, please share this video to your friends, subscribe us, and thank you for the day.